Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 1st to 5th September 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So as you can see, I have already opened the chart and first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So we can see a flat closing on Friday. Here you can see 1.16818 was the closing, 0.00% exact closing on the daily chart. We can see a exact closing on Friday. So let's now talk about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be sharing and marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better SL and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So here I've already opened the weekly chart. If I talk about the weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a small body and a big lower wick with a small upper wick. So currently, yes, stochastic RSI is around 23-24, which indicates us a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. So now let's mark some important support zones and resistance zones. So as we can see here, some important levels are already marked. We can see a different data which we need to mark. So I just marked that data, and here our marking has been completed. We don't need to mark any other data because we have already marked some data during a previous week analysis. So here let's talk about the closing. We can see 1.16818 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.16500. Here the direct resistance is 1.16921. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16000 and then 1.15500. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17168 and then 1.17454. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better trades for coming week. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider subscribing or checking that out as well. Also, I have shared one discount coupon code which will help you to get a 20% discount on a Blueberry funded or the prop firm number one, which I have shared in the description. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move which is around in this range, that is 1.16921 to 1.17168. We can expect a positive more upside move till 1.17454. So I'm expecting overall a positive move, but if you are looking for a short trade, then only look for a short trade when 1.16500 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this. Then we can see a move till 1.16000. So these are some levels which will help you to take a long or a short trade. My expectation is a bit positive. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.